thanks for coming to my channel. I'm Joe. I've got a small medium zucchini here. Probably gonna get 6 or 7 slices out of here. We'll see where it goes. I'm gonna cut that off like that. Get that aside. A little off the tip. All right. I'm gonna use the flat slice, not the ribbed one. So we're gonna get nice flat slices. So I'm just gonna take that off. Take that skin off. And it's going to give me nice slices this way here. So see how many we can get here. All right, so I'm just going to do a few more here. Now, obviously you can use a bigger tray. I'm just going to try to get them quickly done in the air fryer. So like that. Some of the smaller ones we can just chop up and add to the couscous anyway, which I'm going to do with the remainder of this. I just put together some basic house seasoning here. It's a salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Something real simple that can work with just about anything. So I'm just gonna give it a light seasoning here. We don't want to overdo it. All right. Now I'm gonna get this into the air fryer oven here, the caloric. Set this to roast on it, which is the 425. And I'm going to set this to about 5 minutes. Now while that's going, we're going to check on the couscous. So we're going to bring the heat up to medium for the couscous. Get the butter melting in there. While that's melting, I'm going to get about 1.5 cups of chicken broth. So we're going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to be using the organic pearl couscous. So I've got 1 cup. Get that in here. Bring it to a boil and then lower it and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes. And you can see what that looks like here. It's got to absorb some of that water anyway. So we're just going to let this sit and cool a little bit. While I'm waiting for that, I'm just chopping up the rest of this zucchini. And I've also taken out some homemade roasted red peppers and yellow peppers. That's just in some garlic, some roasted garlic, a little bit of seasoning that I had in the fridge. We're going to add that into it too, just again to pile up the flavors, and some green onion. All right, so I'm just going to slice these up, and you want small pieces here, and some green onion. Again, I'm going to go kind of small. Let's hit the couscous. It should be cool enough now. You can see, so it soaked up a lot of that liquid. And get it into this bowl. Just going to grab the zucchini pieces, get that in there, and all the chopped vegetables. All right, and a little bit of Parmesan. Now I'm just going to stir it, get everything incorporated here, and we're going to give it a little taste for flavor to make sure that we're not missing anything in here. Let's just give this a taste. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to set this aside to cool here, and we're going to get to the zucchini. You can go a little bit thicker than I did. You can use a mandolin to do that. I just found that this is a little easier without dirtying so much stuff that I have to wash later. Get the salmon. This is the smoked salmon. I bought it already smoked and peppered. This is the pepper version. So I'm just going to slice them in half here, just so they fit in the zucchini slices. If you have larger zucchini, then you may not have to do that. Let's start assembling the zucchini. So I'm going to just lay them out here. Just a few of them. I'm going to take a couple of these pieces of the smoked salmon and just lay them across the top here. Like that. So I'm just going to take some of this cream cheese here and just kind of put a little dollop on each piece. Okay, get some more. So again, just a little dollop on top. And then I'm just going to roll it up. It doesn't have to be super tight, but you want to make sure that everything kind of sticks there. All right. And then kind of sits nicely. So again, I'll roll that up like that. Sits nicely. So now we're going to plate it all up and bring it all together. I'm just going to put a couple of spoonfuls here, right in the center. All right, look at the colors. A nice yellow, orange, green. You get all kinds of colors, and it smells really, really good here with the roasted peppers in there. Put these right on the top. I'm going to use about 3 of them here. Make it look nice and pretty. And I get some parsley over the top for color and a little bit of flavor. Here we have my zucchini rollatini with smoked salmon and cream cheese over couscous, a vegetable couscous. Delicious. So I'm just going to grab this spoon here. You know, we're all family here anyway, right? So I'm just going to take some of that. And we'll give this one a taste. I'm just going all in on this one. We're not even going to try to bite it. These are bite-sized. Oh, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me some thumbs up, some likes, some shares. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit the bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.